Hello everyone, this is Dr. Gobind Rai Garg, and I am very happy to introduce you to Dr. Suraj. So he has cleared the FMGE exam, which the result has come yesterday. So welcome, Dr. Suraj. Heartiest congratulations to you and your parents.
Thank you, sir.
Suraj, please introduce yourself first for our viewers.
Myself, Suraj. I live nearby in Kolhapur in Maharashtra, and I studied in Ukraine, and I cleared my FMG exam in very first attempt with 173 marks.
That's great. That's great. बहुत बढ़िया result रहा. Congratulations first of all.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Suraj, tell us about your journey when you started preparing for the exam, and what were your main sources and how you prepared in the last 6 months.
Sir, I started preparing for exam in my 5th year of MBBS.
Okay.
And I studied main videos of cerebellum,
Okay.
of obs gynae and surgery,
Okay.
and I think derma
Okay.
and pharmacology. I studied in Ukraine.
Okay. 4 subjects you studied there.
Yes.
Yes.
And after coming to India, I just joined Mission 200.
Okay.
And I trusted blindly and I just did
So
all.
you attended all the live classes?
Yes, sir. All.
Okay, great. So you were there in my class also?
Yes, sir.
When we used to keep on talking with Felix, that is ka naam
Yes,
note kar lo.
about screenshot.
Great,
Yes,
great.
sir.
अच्छा, तो you followed religiously the Cerebellum Mission program?
Yes, sir. No, I didn't miss even a single class, sir.
Okay.
All the classes I did online.
That paid off.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I know it's a little hectic because you have to attend the classes daily, and maintaining the consistency becomes a little difficult. But obviously, if you keep on working, you will get a good result.
Yes, sir. And all the teachers, like they keep motivating us in the class, so it becomes easy.
Great. And
Yes.
what were your routine like? Like classes were only in the evening for 6 hours, 7 hours, and what did you do rest of the time?
Sir, after completing the class, I used to do late night PYQ in the night, and in morning I used to revise the class, like which was in the evening, and then I used to do like 100 to 150 questions.
And from where you were practicing these questions?
In Cerebellum itself, sir.
Okay.
Yes. Like custom module I used to do, and PYQs.
Okay. And did you attend the ENDs also?
Yes, sir. END also.
Okay, that's good.
Like initially I was not getting good marks in END, but then also I was attending it.
Okay. That's the most important thing, because if you keep on attending, you will obviously improve.
Yes, sir.
That's great. That's great to know. So you blindly followed everything we were doing at Cerebellum.
Yes, sir. Only Cerebellum, nothing else.
That's great. And what are your favorite subjects?
Sir, like before I didn't had any favorite subject, but after coming, like after joining Cerebellum, pharmacology and surgery are my favorite subjects.
That's great. That's great to know. अच्छा सूरज, अगर आप डॉक्टर नहीं होते तो क्या होते?
I don't know, sir. I think maybe pharmacy or something related to medicine.
So you be related to patient care only.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. बहुत अच्छा जज्बा है ये.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा सूरज, गिव योर लास्ट एडवाइस टू आवर व्यूअर्स के जो अभी जून में अपीयर होने जा रहे हैं, सो उनको क्या क्या चीजों पे ध्यान रखना चाहिए टू क्लियर द एग्जाम?
सर, डिस्ट्रैक्ट नहीं होना है बस 6 महीने. जो सेरेबेलम जो मिशन 200 है, इस पे ब्लाइंडली ट्रस्ट कर सकते हैं बस. और जो टीचर्स बोलेंगे वो करते जाओ बस, और कुछ नहीं करना है. 3 बार तो रिवीजन करा ही लेते हैं.
ग्रेट.
जरूरत है नहीं मेरे हिसाब से.
एक्सीलेंट. वेरी क्रिस्प एडवाइस एंड टू द पॉइंट एडवाइस. जो सेरेबेलम को ब्लाइंडली फॉलो कर लो, बस हो जाएगा.
यस सर.
ग्रेट. तो यू अपीयर्ड फॉर जीटीज आल्सो?
यस सर.
तो जीटीज में आपके स्कोर क्या रहे थे?
I gave only 2 GTs, last 2 GTs.
लास्ट 2 दिए. ओके, तो क्या स्कोर रहे तुमने?
Sir, like last one I got I think 170, and before that I got only 132, sir.
अच्छा, तो जो पहला जो वाला जीटी दिया था वो कितना टाइम पहले दिया था?
Sir, I think in November end, I think, sir.
अच्छा, नवंबर में दे दिया था वो. और ये वाला लास्ट वाला?
लास्ट वाला वो जो जनवरी दिसंबर एंड में जो हुआ था इसमें.
अच्छा, जो मेन वाला हुआ.
हाँ सर.
So you got 170 there and you got actually 173.
Yes, sir.
So the exact GP score आ गया. That's great to know. अच्छा, सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट सूरज, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन आप अपने पेरेंट्स को भी कर, बहुत बहुत बधाई हो उनको भी. ठीक है, आप पूरी फैमिली को बधाई हो. एंड आर यू द फर्स्ट डॉक्टर इन द फैमिली?
यस सर, आई एम द फर्स्ट वन.
ग्रेट. आपके ऊपर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बहुत रहेगी. सारे आपकी तरफ देख रहे होंगे, और अभी अभी आपको बहुत ज्यादा पता भी नहीं होगा, फिर भी आपको लोगों की बीमारियां बताना, उनको दवाइयां बताना अभी से करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, चलो बहुत बहुत बधाई हो. एंड थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग अस, एंड थैंक यू फॉर गाइडिंग द स्टूडेंट्स.
थैंक यू सो मच.
थैंक यू सूरज. बाय बाय.
बाय बाय.